Roshan, please share your screen once.
Yes, Roshan.
Oh, sorry.
Hi
Can you see
Roshan,
my
Shan,
screen?
Divya, good morning. Harish
Hi
Cheshwant,
Harish, good morning.
good morning Roshan.
So Harish, today we will complete our news app.
Okay Roshan,
Okay.
okay Roshan.
So we have a app bar in home page and we have a
Yeah,
drawer. Can you please
yeah.
help me to complete all the codes, complete drawer widget? Yes, Divya. Can you please
Yes,
help me?
Roshan. Yes, Roshan.
Yeah. So what should I type here in drawer?
You're right. Child
First is
column.
a child, then our list view, right?
Hmm.
In list view you have a children. In children, first we have user account
Accounts
header,
drawer header.
right?
Yes.
User account
Drawer header.
drawer header. Then in this we have
Account
a
name. Account
account
name and account
email,
email.
account email. In account email we can create our text widget and then we have another property that is account.
Name.
Why is showing error user account? Something wrong in this user
There are accounts. Accounts.
accounts. Yeah, accounts. Drawer, then header. Everything is good. So account.
U is in caps.
No, it's good. Like if I hover this and add require parameter, this is our account name, and account name is here. Put a comma. This comma and semicolon is then we have a current account picture,
Circle of author.
then circle uh, circle after in circle after we can set background image or image, right? So
Yes
can you
Roshan.
please tell me the difference between the background image and a child? If I set child and asset image, then what is the difference between both?
Background image, it will be in the background, and on the top of the background we can insert like text and all.
But if I want simple image, not anything on top of the image,
Just will give like asset image.
so if I give background image, then our image will automatically in circle. Okay. If I give a child of circle avatar, then our image will not in circle. Okay, like this. You can see in emulator, we have circle avatar, but our image is in
Circle.
rectangle shape, right?
Yes.
So in current account picture, we have a circle avatar. Why this showing error? Okay, spelling mistake. So we have a background image. In this, we can pass image dot assets or simple
Network image also we can give.
not do that. Okay, do that then. Background image or network image. Network image. In this, we can pass our URL. Then we have a background color and all, right? So go to pixel.com. Okay, so we have a user account header, then after that we have a list style, right? List style. In list style we have a leading, and leading is our icon. Icons dot home. Then we have a title. In title we have a text widget, that is our home. Then we have another list style. In list style we have a leading. In leading we have icon. Icons dot. Please tell me category name. Like sports, something sports icon. Yeah. Then we have a title widget. In title widget, oh, we have a text widget. In text widget sports. This simple copy this and paste multiple times. So we have a sports, we have a technology, anything. Then we have a
Entertainment.
entertainment. Yeah, icon name please.
Music, Roshan.
Yes. Music. Then one more.
Business,
Business. Icon name please.
business name is there, Roshan. For icon also.
Okay. And we have one more tile, that is close. Means header close. Right. And in this on tap,
Roshan, for entertainment, icon name music underscore note type.
music underscore.
Note.
We'll wait for hint happening in my system. Hmm. Yes, Hadis. Music note,
Yes, Roshan.
music underscore note, right?
Yes.
So in on tap, now we can set like
Navigator.
navigator dot pop Did you remembered? Or navigator
This
dot
navigator
of context,
yeah, context
then
pop.
Pop off.
pop means
Pop.
close this header, right?
Yes.
Sorry. So we have a sports, technology, entertainment, business, 4 category, right? And we have a
Yes,
home
Roshan.
page. So, so our drawer part is completed. Then we have a our home page means body, right? In body, today we will create separate widget. Like a function, we can create separate widget. Like if I create widget and body widget, okay. If I pass here, clear? Divya,
Yes, Roshan.
clear?
Yes.
Like a function, we can create a separate widget, same like a function, but the return type of this widget is widget, right? This function is widget, same
Yes.
like a function, yes or no?
Yes, Roshan.
But the return type is widget. So that will be easy for us to create a separate widget. So we can understand this is our body widget, this is our text widget, right? In
Yes.
our application, we have lots of widget. So it's easy to see this is our widget, body widget, this is our logo widget, this is our second widget and all. So in this body widget, first we have to return we can return container, or in this, like if I first we take boolean is loading, right? Then we have a list of data. Yes, yes or no? We have discussed with already boolean is loading and list, right? We can also define where, or we can define list. So if is loading is true, then in center display a display what? Circular progress indicator, right? We have already used this widget, yes or no?
Yes, Roshan.
And else or list view dot
Builder.
builder list view dot builder. In this we have a builder and we have a item count, right?
Yeah,
Yes,
Roshan.
Roshan.
So item count is,
Length of the data. Yeah.
so data dot
Length.
length, right? And what is item builder? In the place of item builder, first is our context widget,
Context
right?
and then
Build contest. Dot contest.
Dot not
So
not dot. Build context is a
contest.
variable. If I remove, then okay. Okay, this is a variable name. Build context, then second parameter is our index, right?
Yes.
And after that, in this bracket, we can return our widget. So today we will learn a new widget, that is our card. Okay, in card, sorry, in card we have a child property. In child, like in child, we have a column property. In column, we have a children. No suggestion why. We have a children. In children, first we will display network image, right? On complete. So first visit our network image, and now first I will pass a static image, then we pass dynamic image. After this, we have a text widget, and this is our title, right? Then we have a another text widget, that is our description, and for title we set a style property, style, text style, font, font style, font weight, dot bold, font size 20, then colors dot blue, okay. And second text is our description. Then first I will run this. Where? Okay. So we have an image, we have a title, we have a description. So easy loading is, first we have to create a init state. What is init state? Divya, can you please explain what is init state? Divya,
Yes, Roshan.
what is init state? Why we use init state in Flutter?
It's
Sanwaj,
like a framework.
State of the widget option. State
why we use init state?
state for getting state.
It's for the location.
Not a context. I am talking about init state. Init state. We have already used this method, right? Init state. This is overridden method.
State of the variable, which Roshan?
It's like a method.
So why we need this method?
It will work as a runtime function. First, we need to call only once.
Okay.
Constructor, it will work as same as a constructor.
Yeah, it will work same as a constructor.
For first time
Basically,
calling, we will use init
yes,
state.
without calling any method, any function, this init state is automatically called when our application launch, when our class called, right? Same like a constructor. Clear? This
Yeah, Roshan.
init state is basically
Yes,
used
Roshan.
for initializing our variable. Okay, when our app launch, our variable is initialized. So in this, I initialize is loading is equal to true, and we create a method get data from server. In that, we change this state to like false, right? Not simple is loading is equal to true. We have to call set state. Why set state? Can you please, Harish, can you please explain? Harish,
Yes, Roshan.
why set state? What do you mean by set state? Divya?
It is used to change the status of the widget.
Yeah, change the state of our widget, right?
Yes.
So is loading is equal to true. By default, our
Set state.
is loading is true, right? Like our
Yes.
circular progress bar indicator is loaded. If is loading is false, then our list view dot builder is working. First, our circular progress indicator. Why not? Our app is not running. So by default, our is loading is true. Then call the method that is get data
From server.
from server. In this, we have to create first get data from server, get data from server. In this method, what will happen in this method? This is basically a async function, right? Zanawaj? In this
Yes,
method,
Roshan.
we fetch data from our API, right?
Yes, Roshan.
Yeah.
So variable
Response.
response is equal to
Await.
await. Why await?
For server side asynchronous operations.
Yeah,
We need to
await
use.
http dot get method, right?
Yes.
In the get method, we have to pass a URL. Which URL?
Like
API URL, right?
API URL. Yes.
News API. No, new. Yeah. Have you logged in newsapi.org?
Yes,
Have you
Roshan.
created account?
Yes.
Then you get API key, right?
Yeah, we got it.
So, like This is our newsapi.org. Then everything q is equal to Tesla means query. Then we can pass parameter of date also. Then published at and all. And last parameter is our API key. Clear?
Yes.
So we need to pass API key. This everything is optional, like from, sort by, queue, but API key is compulsory. So all article mention, okay, but we need top headlines, right? So top headlines, in top headline, simply copy this URL and paste over here. Oh,
Get.
okay, I will remove manually. Okay,
Yes.
news API, then this. Okay, but HTTP throw error. So
You have
for,
to give in PubSec.
yeah, I have added in PubSpec,
Hmm.
but first we have to import this, right? So our
That's
import
important.
HTTP package, right?
Yes.
HTTP dot
Dot.
add HTTP. What do you mean by add?
So it's like compare.
Mm-hmm. Sanvaj,
Yes, Roshan.
I have added a add HTTP.
Yeah, Roshan.
So what do you mean by this? Why we use add HTTP?
For body widget will work as a HTTP. I think.
I can define like ABC. Yes or no? Hmm.
No, Roshan.
Why?
The page is in HTTP page.
No.
We have imported only HTTP.
Yes, Roshan. We input from
Right.
Google.
If I ABC here
It threw an error.
and if I define here ABC, then this will work or not? Hmm. This will work or not?
Sure, sure.
So
No,
Divya,
Roshan.
why ABC? Why ABC? And why? This is a basically alias name. You know what is alias name?
Yes, Joshua.
We can define like a variable, anything. Okay, we can define anything. This will be a work. This will gonna work. Okay. So here HTTP for our easy convention we use HTTP because in our project we have a multiple package. Okay, but we can define anything, ABC, your name, my name, and anything. Clear? This is a simple like a variable, just like a
Okay.
variable. Okay, so in response we get response for our API. After that,
Print response body.
set state, right? Set state, or first we can do one more thing like variable converted data is equal to JSON dot decode, right? Why? Sanvaj,
Yes,
JSON
Roshan.
dot decode.
Yes, some dot.
Mhm. JSON dot decode.
Body of the widget
We have to
decoded.
decode our data, JSON data, right? That is our response dot. We have to decode our JSON data. Clear? So first we have to import our dart convert package, right? So we have a converted data in set state method. Now in this we can see that status total result, this is the object, and this article is our list, right? This is our main thing. Yes or no?
Yes.
So our articles is list type. Yes.
Yes, Roshan.
So in set state, yes, our circular progress bar indicator is loading and loading. Set state, then here our data is equal to converted data and our articles, right? Copy from this. Articles, right? Then our is loading is false is equal to false. Set state is loading is false, right? Clear? So if I hot reload this, then first loading circular progress indicator bar, then our list view, right? You can see first our loading
Yes, sir.
circular progress indicator bar, then our card, but our
HTML.
image, yeah, you can see. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, Roshan.
But we haven't defined the size of our network image, so it's automatically take
Full screen.
By
the
default
full screen
screen.
or
Yeah.
image size. You can say image size.
Yes.
So if I wrap this widget into a container, then we can give size or yes. If I wrap this widget into container, or we have already a size widget, height and width. Yes, we have a height widget. In height, I have passed 150. I will pass 150, and width is full screen. Okay, so height is 150. Now you can see that
Reduce
our
this.
height is 150, or our width is
Hmm.
250. Same height and 250 and all. No, 200, and this is a 550. Okay, so we have used our card widget, right? So Now you can see some borders between our card. Can you see this?
Yes, Roshan, we can see.
So because we have wrapped our column inside card widget, right?
Yes.
In card widget we have more property like color, elevation. What is elevation? Have you used ever elevation?
Border, Roshan.
Mm-hmm. Not border.
Just like a
If I
image
pass
styles,
Well, it's
10,
Roshan.
like a
Styles.
rising.
it's like a shadow.
Yeah.
Now you can see shadow.
Yeah.
If I give 100, then now you can see shadow behind our card. We have
Yes,
more
Roshan.
property like if I like color, key, margin, and all shadow color, shape. So we have a shape widget. In shape widget, we have a rounded rectangle border. In this, we can pass border radius, rounded rectangle border. Okay, we have border radius. In this, we have a border radius dot circular. If I pass 10 circular, circular border radius dot circular, then 10. If I hot reload this, can you see this rounder rectangle border?
Yeah, Roshan, borders are curved, I think.
Yeah, can you see, Dibya?
Yes, Roshan.
Yes, Roshan.
So if I give like if I wrap this widget inside
Container.
padding, so now you can see now. Can you see now rounded rectangle
Yeah,
Yeah.
border?
Yes,
Yes,
Roshan.
Roshan.
Clear? How we can create rounded rectangle size in our Flutter app with the help of card and with the help of container we can also create this rounded rectangle border. Okay, but in
We will
con-
get this only in the card visit, Roshan.
no, we can create in container widget also with the help of this shape. Okay, but like in elevation properties and card color properties and border color is not in container. So by default our card gives something border like elevation property, border property by default. But in container we have to create a shape. Okay.
Roshan,
Hmm.
if we need to give a space between the card and the image at top margin, then
Sorry. Where?
now the image is for top margin, Roshan, card
Hmm.
image is
Yes, it's like
card
a
top margin, Roshan,
Hmm.
padding between the image and the card.
Image and
container.
Top padding,
In the container, image
Roshan.
should be in the middle, and four sides we should get space.
okay, we can simply
Top
wrap this.
margin we need to.
Yeah, we wrap this column widget with padding, or we wrap with column widget with container and then give margin. We can. Yes or no?
Yes, Roshan.
With the help of container widget, simply wrap this widget and give a space. Okay. So now
Margin top
our
150.
static image, right? is a static text. So now what we want? We want to show data from our API, right? I have passed a data dot length. So now we have to pass image dot network in like data, then our index. Yes. Then what is the key for network image? If I expand this, then what is the key? Like URL to image. You can see URL to image. Yes.
Yes, Roshan.
So URL to image, and for same for title, same for description. But for title we have a title widget, title text. For description we have a description. Yes. So we have a description key. If I refresh this, now we get data from our API, right? Can you see now?
Yes, Roshan.
Can you see, Divya? This
Yes,
data
Roshan. Data is
come
also
from network, from API, right? So we have a
there. Yes.
title, we have a description, we have a image. So give not 8, if 4. And we can also set, I give like this container, not in container we have also property padding, right? And color property, in color we can pass colors dot white. We can also give padding between this text and all, right? So if I wrap this
App with
widget
the padding.
side, if I wrap this widget, if I wrap with this widget is with padding, then can you see now the padding between our card and all? Okay, this take padding from image also. We can design, okay? We can simply give wrap with this text widget with padding, and also this text widget with padding. Is this good now?
Yes, Roshan.
So we have a title, we have a network image, we have a description, right? So now if I click on this particular card, then open our another page like news details page, right?
Roshan.
Yes.
And if I click on this navigation header drawer and click on the sports, technology, entertainment, business, then open particular category news, right? So today we will learn how to pass data from one page to another page using navigator. Now you can see this circle avatar on navigation header. This is a circular, right? Because
Yes.
I have set a background image, not a child. It's a
Yeah.
background image, right? If I set child, if I refresh this, oh, not image dot network, And if I refresh this, then you can see this circle avatar in a rectangle shape. Can you see that?
Yes.
Okay. So if you want to set our image in circle avatar, so you have to give background image, not child. Okay, clear?
Okay. Roshan, if we give border radius to that circle avatar, it's not came.
Yeah, simply control space. We have a maximum radius, we have a minimum radius, we have a radius. We can play with this,
Yeah, okay, okay, understand.
or you can do one thing: wrap
Without
this
using
circle
circle
avatar
avatar.
with card, then give shape and border and all.
Okay.
Okay, like if I in card widget, in card widget, we have a property called color, or no, in rounded rectangle border, we have a border radius, then our side, inside we have a border side. In border side you can set color, colors dot, colors dot blue, and we can also set width for this, like border width. If I set 2, yes. Can you see border? Like if I give 20, then you can see easily. Can you see this border?
Yes, Roshan, I can.
Yes, we can see
Now you can see now.
background.
Now it's visible.
Yeah, I have set width is 20. That's why.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now you can easily see this border. But if I set 5, like this, or you can say not good, 3. Okay, 3 will be good.
3 is enough.
Yeah. So we have a border radius, we have a border radius color, right? Border
Yes,
width.
Roshan.
With the help of card widget, you can design awesome news item, right?
Yes, Roshan.
We can also display, like if I go here, we can also display author name, then publish date and all. Okay, source age and all. If I do one thing, here I create row widget. Inside our row widget, we have a children. Inside our row widget, we have a children. In children, we have a text. In text, we can pass author, author. Then we have a published at.
వాడు నూరనీకే వస్తుంది సన్ని రాస్తే
Published at.
రాసుకోపను సన్ని కాల్చుంటే వేరే బుక్ ఇస్తా బుక్ లో రాసుకోమను ఆ బుక్ లో రాసుకో పెన్సిల్ ఇవ్వటి రాసుకుంటాడు
Then if I, and in a row, if I hot reload this, then we can see author name and date. Yes, we can also wrap this widget with padding, So now what I want to display David means author name in left corner and published at means date on the right corner. How I can do that? With the help of row widget.
In this, any bar content facility is there?
Sanwaj,
Yes, Roshan.
I want to set author on the left side and published at means date on the right side. How I can do that with the help of row widget?
Yes, Roshan. Yeah.
So how I can do? We have a main axis alignment property, right?
Yeah,
In
in
main
this case,
axis alignment,
between we can give
main axis alignment dot space between, right? So if I hot reload this, then our author on the left side and date on the right side. Now you can see
yes, Roshan. Yeah.
clear. So we have a title, we have a description, we have a author name, we have a published date, right? Divya,
Yes, Roshan.
is this good? Is this
Yeah,
enough
it's good.
on card? So if I click on this card, then open a news details
Mhm.
page. On that page, we will show complete details, right? So first, I have to remove this debug. So check mode false. Then in a home page, now I have close this, get data from server. Now I create a news like category news dot. Okay, and in this we have a import material then stf category news, and category news same like this. I will copy this scaffold and everything. Copy this http package, then paste here. Then we have a convert package library, paste here. Now we have everything. Okay, so in category news page we have a app bar, category name, and I remove drawer from here. In body we have a body widget, in body is loading and all. Okay, so I want to open this page. If I click on this category sports technology, so I want to open this. Okay, open category news page. So how I can do that? Can you please help me to navigate on second page? Like if I click on this list tile, then I will navigate on another page. How I can do that?
On tap of navigate at push off.
Navigator, like first on tap we have a property on tap, right? In on tap we have a navigator
Off contest or pop.
of context, then
Pop.
pop. I want to open another page, not
Push.
close this page.
Push.
Push, then
Route to category page.
Material page route.
Category
Material
page.
page.
Roshan, here navigator push up context. I think. He's starting navigator dot push.
Navigator
Okay.
dot.
Push
Push
of context.
contest, comma
Okay.
material page route.
Navigator dot push. Then first parameter our context, right?
Context.
Second is
Material
page
page
route.
route.
Page route.
You have to give builder.
Material page route. In this
Builder.
we have a one property called builder.
Yes.
In builder we can pass here context. In context like this. Like this, Dibya.
We can give it there only, like contest arrow category.
Now here in this we can give our category news,
news.
right? Is this good?
Yeah, we can go through a single line command.
Yeah, we can go through the fat arrow function.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, we can give flat arrow.
Fat arrow. Category news. Okay. Not semicolon. Yeah. So first I have to import this category news in home page, right? So click on this, import category news. Now I can open category news. Yes or no?
Yes.
With the help of navigator, we can open category news, and on category news, we don't have this navigation drawer. We have a category news. So if I click on this sports, where is on sports? Yeah, on sports, we have a category name. We have a news, right? Yes or no? So what I want now, I want to display category name. Okay, on the base of category name, this news will load. Like if I pass a sports, if I click on a sports, then all the sports news will come. If I click on technology, then all the technology related news will come on this page. Okay, and our category name should be changed like a sports technology like this. So we can create multiple like page for all the category like sports news, technology news, or we can create dynamic page like on category news everything will be dynamic like category name and content and all. Okay, so with the help of material page route we can pass data. So if I pass in category news, if I pass like sports sports like same like function, if I pass category news sports, so on the category news currently this showing error. What? Too many positional arguments, zero expected. Why? On category news we never take any arguments, right? So first now we have to create like a string, then category name, and this will be final. What is final? Can you please explain what is final? And in this we create a constructor category news, then this dot category underscore name. What is this? This is the category news is a constructor of this class. Yes or no?
Yes, Roshan.
Yes, Roshan.
This is the constructor of this class. Now error will go on. You can see category news, because we define one parameter in our category news, right? Now we will take a parameter in category news. Yes, and in category news we have passed our category name. So on the basis of category name we can change everything. So now I want change our app bar title. So we can pass dynamic title, right? So widget. So if I want to use this category name, then simple, in our category news state we can do like this: widget dot category news, which we have created a variable category news, category name, right? So category name. Okay, so now if I click on a sports, then you can see sports title. Can you see?
Yes, Roshan, we can see that.
Yes, Roshan.
This is our dynamic. I have passed up data on category news, and in category news we created a constructor, right? Like final string category name, then we have a constructor, and we can use this variable with the help of widget dot category name.
Here
Clear?
we are using final string here, Roshan. It's like we are
Okay,
looking
what
at
is final? Can you please explain what is final? What is
it's not
final
the
keyword?
last.
Sanwaj,
Yes, Roshan.
what is final?
For variable, while decreasing the value of the variable, it's final.
Mhm. Using the final keyword means the value can't be changed, can't be modified in this page. If I define any variable final, then that variable can't be modified in this page. Okay, so if why we use this? I have passed the sports from another page, so we don't want to change this sports in our class, right? Yes or no?
Yes, Roshan.
This will be changed or not? Because I have defined a final keyword, so this category name not can't be modified in the future of this class, in this class. Okay, Divya,
Yes, Roshan. Follow.
clear?
Yes, clear, Roshan.
If a variable is declared with the final keyword, then the value can't be changed.
Can't be modified in this.
Yeah, can't be modified in this page. Clear?
Yes, Roshan.
So I have passed sports, and same for all the list style. Yes or no? Same for all. Like in this, I passed a technology. Then in this we have entertainment. Then mhm, we have so I passed the business, entertainment, technology, then sports. How to reload this? Now if I click on any list style, then our application app bar title will change, right? We pass the parameter on material page route. Clear how to pass parameter in navigator.
Yes, Roshan.
With the help of
Fine.
constructor, we can get data from one page to another page, right? So now if I click on sports, then our sports title. If I click on technology, then technology. Yes. If I click on entertainment, then entertainment. You can see. So our application
Roshan.
title bar is app bar
Changing.
title is dynamic. Yes.
Yes.
We can create multiple page for this, like a sports page, technology page, but we can create dynamic page. Like on the basis of parameter, our page will change. Yes.
Yes.
Clear, Sanawaj, Harish.
Yes, Roshan.
Now in
Yes,
category
Roshan.
news page, now what we want to get news for this particular category, right? For this particular sports category. Yes or no? So
Yes,
how
Roshan.
we can do that? With the help of case, switch case, or if else. Yes, in get data from server, we can do one thing like switch case. With the help of switch case, we can change our URL, right? We can do that. Yes or no, Sarvaj? With the help of switch case,
Yes, Roshan.
we can change our URL. So what I will do, I will create a URL variable. Okay, I will create a URL where URL. So and by default our URL is top headline. Okay, by default our URL is top headline, and on the basis of switch case, with the help of switch case, like why Sanvaj,
Yes,
can you
Roshan.
can we change our URL
Yeah,
with the help of switch case?
yeah, Roshan.
So how? Switch case, in switch we have a widget dot
Category name.
category name, and if our category name will sports, then set state. Yes, in set state, if URL is equal to like, if I go into documentation and all, then all the articles related to Tesla, no, all article mentioning Apple, we can do like this, like everything and Q is equal to Apple, right? Like this, our and our API key is this, and our Q is equal to sports. Clear? On the basis of our category name, we have changed our URL, right? Clear, Sanwaj?
Yes,
Yes,
Roshan.
but the
Clear?
URL is not present in that.
Hmm.
Actually, there is no sports URL now.
Where?
News API.
No. We have.
Yeah, okay, Roshan.
We have. Simply not. This is not a URL, not a category name. This is a query. Means search query. Okay.
Okay, Roshan.
Clear? So now our URL is this. Then same for other like case. Which case? Like our technology. Like we have a technology. We have a this and here technology. We have one more. Okay, this is break statement. Break here also break, break, then a break, and from home page we have a technology, we have a entertainment. So if we got entertainment, then entertainment. If I got like business, then find news related to business. Clear?
Roshan.
And get data from server. After that, like if I URL. Okay. Now our URL is dynamic. Yes or no?
Yeah,
Our
Roshan.
URL is dynamic.
Yes, Roshan.
If I hot reload this, now we will get different result for different category, right?
Yes, Roshan.
Now if I click on navigation drawer on a sports, now you can see only a sports related news will come. Can you see?
Yeah, Roshan.
So if I click on
Yes.
technology, then only technology related news will come. Can you see, Divya,
Yes,
Harish?
Roshan.
Yes, Roshan, we can see.
So now our category news page is dynamic, right?
Yes.
On the basis of category name, our URL will different. So now our URL is dynamic. If I click on business, we get different result. Yes or no?
Yes, Roshan.
So
Yes, Roshan.
so this part is also completed. Sport category news. Now the one part is remaining, that if I click on this card, simply open our new page. On that page we will display a news category, this image, title, description, date and all. Okay, can you do that on your, can you do that? If I tap on this, open a new page, can you do that? Yes or no? Harish,
Roshan, I'm here.
if I tap on this particular card,
Hmm.
open a new screen, and on that screen, that is our news details page. So can you create that page and pass data from this screen to that screen with the help of navigator? We
Yeah,
have learned, we have already used this navigator and passed data with the help of navigator.
yes, Roshan.
Can you do? Can do that?
We will try, Roshan.
Okay. So please finish this application. Everything is completed. Okay, this is our complete news app.
Okay.
Yes or no?
Yes, Roshan.
Yes, Roshan.
We have lots of we can create lots of category, right? And on the basis of category, our URL will different and news will be different. Yes.
Yes, Roshan.
So we have created a complete news application. We can implement more feature like share articles and all, comment on that and all. That is a feature, right? So we can integrate more feature in this application like dark theme and light theme and all. Yes.
Yes, Roshan.
So please complete all the assignments. You have all completed all the assignments, Dibya?
Yes, Roshan. Except the music, everything is done.
Okay, Harish, have you completed?
No, Roshan. I will complete today. Actually,
Please complete.
my system. Yeah, Roshan.
And
My system is
Sanwaj,
not responding.
Yeah, Roshan, it's
I
completed.
think you have completed, yeah. So today your assignment is please finish this news application completely. Like if I tap on this card, open a new screen. On that screen, that is our news details page. Okay. On there we will display all the art title, description, date, source name and all. Okay.
Okay,
You
Roshan.
can do that.
Yeah,
Can
we'll
you do
try.
that? Yes or no? Please complete this application. So from tomorrow we will start a new topic. Any confusion in API part? Like we have created lots of project on the basis of API like GitHub API and all.
Yes.
So any question on API part?
Roshan, please share this recording, Roshan.
Yeah, sure.
Today's and the screenshots.
Yeah. Is this tough? API part?
Need to get some practice, Roshan. By this.
Yes, because
Yeah,
here and there we are changing back to back, right? Everything, so we need to get
Yeah.
practice.
So you have to practice.
Yes.
Yes, Roshan.
Okay. Please practice and please complete all the assignments. Then the API part will easy for you.
Sure, Roshan. Then
Without API, you
practice.
can't complete any application. Any production level application, you can't complete.
Yes, Roshan.
Okay. So this is enough for today. From tomorrow, we will start a new topic. Let's see which topic, like database and all.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
Roshan.
Roshan.
I will share all the screenshots and
Okay.
please complete and send the screenshot in group.
Okay.
Sure, Roshan.
Okay.
I share the recording also, Roshan,
Please.
today's class.
Yeah, sure.
Okay,
Okay,
Roshan.
Please
Roshan.
complete all the assignment, please.
Okay, Roshan, we'll
Thank you.
complete it.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Sure.
Thanks everyone. Bye bye.
Thank you, Roshan. Bye.
Thank you, Roshan. Thank you so much. Bye.